Hi guys, this is Mark Shawzin, the Pattern Trader. In this video, I'm going to share the 7-step formula that I've used to identify and capitalize on winning Forex trades based on what I've learned by successfully trading for the past 36 years, including the last 23 years on Wall Street, trading on behalf of companies like Merrill Lynch, E.F. Hutton, Drexel Burnham, and Oppenheimer and Company.
And within about a week, I could see this is something I can put a little bit of real money into. When you're following a system, you should follow it.
And from $300 to $1,105 in 7 months.
Correct.
So I started with 2,500, and I've had 128% growth. You've got to give it everything. He's got the track record. They can just go on the website and see his history.
His way of trading is brilliant. He uses chart patterns.
One of the hardest parts of Forex trading, which stops many traders from ever being able to go full-time or generate any meaningful profits, is understanding how to identify winning trades. You see, most traders don't base their decisions on data. Instead, they base their decisions on opinion, whether the opinion is their own, or whether it's what they've heard on the grapevine, or if it's what Fox News' so-called expert is spouting. But I'll tell you now, this is the biggest mistake you could ever make. That's because all the clues that you'll ever need to choose a winning trade are right in front of your eyes. Today I'm going to walk you through my successful 7-step formula. I use this formula every single day when I'm looking for the right trades to make, and it's served me well over the past 36 years. Although this formula has now almost become second nature to me, I'm going to break it down and explain it to you. The first step is to look at every possible chart. But what might surprise you is that instead of looking for the right chart, I'm more interested in eliminating the wrong trades. After going through every single chart, I'm eventually left with a handful of potentials that show signs that they have the opportunity of a highly profitable setup. What I want to make clear at this point is that some days I eliminate all charts and are left with nothing, no trades at all. I don't trade for the sake of trading. If nothing meets the 7-step list, then I don't trade. The second step is to eliminate the 12 no-go pairs. I've learned the hard way to never, ever touch these 12 pairs. The third step is to assess the quality of the bars on the remaining charts. This requires me to study them more in detail and identify specific patterns that have occurred. This typically results in half of the remaining charts being eliminated. The fourth step is to positive future pace the bars. This is phase 1 coined, but it's where I rely on my experience to draw a line on this bar where I see it positively going depending on the patterns that have come before it. The fifth step is to then negative future pace the bars. This is the opposite of my previous step, as I draw a line of the potential ways in which this trade could go against me. By doing these two, I can weigh up the potential positives and negatives and make a more informed decision on each trade. The sixth step is then to do the same thing, both positively and negatively, on the weekly and monthly chart to give me a bigger picture review of where these charts may be headed. Then finally, the 7th step is to assess how I feel about the remaining positions. I study what is in front of me and make a decision based on what I believe has the highest chance of becoming a winning trade. Only at this point do I make my trading decision. This is a game of practice and experience. And by doing this so many times, it has become very natural. But by following the 7-step formula, it allows me to make decisions based on the data rather than opinion. In my eyes, this 7-step formula is the most effective way to choose winning trades, and in both my own and my thousands of Pattern Trader members' results back that up. If you're anything like me, you cannot learn something until you actually see it being used practically. That's why I put together a free PDF download called the 21 Forex Power Strategies. This completely free manual shares 21 different strategies that our members have used to create huge windfalls and you'll get to see my simple 7-step formula in action. All you have to do is click this video or click the link in the description below and let me know the email address that you'd like me to email your PDF to. I'll then have it sent to you instantly for you to dissect and study. If you've enjoyed this video, then make sure you give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to our channel to be notified every time that a new video goes live. Thanks for watching. Click this video now to download your 21 Forex Power Strategies PDF, and we'll speak soon.